Welcome to MES College, Marambally, e-learning.
I hold myself Anjana Mahishan, Assistant Professor, Department of Logistics Management, MES College, Marambally. In this video, we are going to understand about the introduction to logistics management, and the topic we covers are definition, history, elements, and then the types. When we talk about the definition, what we will be understanding about logistics is the movement of materials from its origin to its customer. There will be a various steps involved. We can see here, from the raw material, it goes to the suppliers, then it goes to the manufacturer, then it goes to a transportation vehicle to the customer. Can be a customer who can be a retailer to the final consumers. This complete process where there is a movement of material is nothing but the logistics. Here we talk about the materials, but it can be also be services. From the history point of view, we will be understanding the word logistics derived from the French word logistique, which means movement and storing. From there, it has been derived from the English language. We understand this has a logistics management. There are various elements need to be understand, that is warehousing, inventory, transportation, material handling, packaging, and the information flow. Warehousing is a place where all the materials are going to be stored. There will be a shelter. It can be internal within the plant or external outside the plant. Inventory is where these specific load where we can see the materials with identification and traceability. This is a transportation vehicle used for the transit the product. It can be roadways, airways, railways, and or the waterways. We will be understanding material handling is the movement of material within short distance in a storage area. If this packing are quite big in size, then we will be using this kind of material handling equipments. Then packaging is a safeguard for the products inside. And for all these things, there will be need for the information flow. If all these things put together are the elements working for the efficient and effective logistics management, that is warehousing, inventory, transportation, material handling, packaging, and information flow. There will be a classification of logistics, that is can be internal logistics or an external logistics. Internal logistics means to say if there is a factory limit where whatever the logistics operation that can be going to the happening within the factory limit can be called as internal logistics, like the movement of materials, storing them, such kinds. The external logistics means the movement of materials, storage of materials that happens outside the factory limit. Those kinds can be called as external logistics. Then we will be understanding about the procurement, distribution, and then the after sale. Procurement, we will be getting raw material from the supplier, and the complete state is called a procurement stage. In distribution, the procured items or the raw materials will be distributed to various distributors, and then it goes to the various after sale counterparts. Once these particular items or component is going to be sold, it is a need as a spare parts of replacement. Whenever there is a complaint, these kind of chances drastically increases. This complete take care in particular process. Then we can understand a construction field with an example where we can see construction materials, material handling equipments, supporting equipments, and also the safety related or protection equipment which will be used to handle and manage these infrastructure for the construction purpose. If we are taking about the digital field, we can understand that the movement of data itself in a logistics, where we will be having various servers and in the servers we will be having data which will be integrated towards the cloud. And that's all about the introduction to the logistics management. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.